an address by the Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency Imran Khan. May I request Protocol to escort His Excellency. I have great pleasure in welcoming His Excellency Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. And
Mr. President, Honorable Secretary General, Excellencies, where we have a chance to discuss problems that the world is facing. I want to talk about a lot of problems, but just 4 today. And I especially came to this forum despite a difficult time in my country, facing challenges.